Your Lincoln was designed to give you effortless access with a simple press of a finger. Let me show you. The door handles on your vehicle have been moved into the belt line to eliminate door pockets while keeping the graceful exterior lines flowing seamlessly. To unlock and open the door from the outside, with your key fob on you, simply slide your hand behind the handle and press the button on the back side. An unlock symbol will illuminate on the keyless entry keypad and the door will gently pop open. Then, all you need to do is pull it open. To close and lock it from the outside, gently push the door until it cinches, similar to that of a power liftgate. Then, touch the locking sensor below your keyless entry keypad. A lock symbol will illuminate to let you know it's locked. Unlocking and opening the door from the inside is just as easy. Simply press the soft touch E-Latch button here. Wait for the door to unlatch, then push it open to exit. Keep in mind, if the vehicle battery fails, each door has its own backup system with enough power to open and close it. In the event that the backup power source depletes, you can still manually open the door using the key inside the key fob. Insert the key into the Continental badge here and turn to unlock. From the inside, just lift up on the lever in the door pocket and then open the door. It's just one more way that Lincoln lets you go confidently in any direction. We hope we've answered your questions. For more information, please visit owner.lincoln.com.